The 2025 Aficionado Award will go to Seagull Books, an independent publishing house in Kolkata, India. The company was recognized with the award for their work publishing literature from around the world with an eye for quality, diversity and design. Seagull Books is also engaged in culture through the Seagull Foundation for the Arts and the Seagull School of Publishing. The Aficionado Award honors individuals, organizations and initiatives that have a lasting impact on the publishing industry. After the presentation of the shortlisted projects, the prize is awarded by an international publishing community and presented at Frankfurter Buchmesse. Naveen Kishore, publisher, and Sunandini Banerjee, senior editor and graphic designer, will receive the award on behalf of the Seagull Books team. Panel and award ceremony will take place at the Frankfurter Buchmesse. Officials expected to be present at the award ceremony include Naveen Kishore, Seagull Books, Sunandini Banerjee, Seagull Books, Camilla Cottafavi, Feltrinelli. Donor reports from Abuja, Nigeria.